What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Here is a brand new update Samsung has pushed for the Galaxy S22 series. This is the S22 Ultra I have here and this is the Snapdragon variant. As you can see the software update information here, it says security patch level for January 2023. The size is about 323.56 MB, which is pretty huge. However, we don't see any new features being added here. It's just about the security of the device and stability improvement. Now this update got really delayed. I got this update on 26th of January, which is almost by the end of the month. But most other regions in Europe and US, you guys might have already received this update a couple of weeks ago. So if you have already received this update, do let me know if there is any new changes or is there any improvements in your device. How is the performance? Drop a comment. Now, as far as my device is concerned, I did face some stutters or lags in the last couple of months. After the update, I don't see any stutters or lags. It seems to be running very smoothly. Now, coming to the update schedule for these security patches, it varies depending on the country and the device. Maybe this depends on the vulnerabilities your device is facing in your region, or maybe Samsung prefers to push these security patches to their most preferred markets. We don't know the exact reason why Samsung delays these security patches even on the latest flagship devices. Sometimes it's a bit annoying, at least for some people out there. Okay, now another question I wanted to ask you guys is whether you have pre-ordered the Galaxy S23 Ultra or not. Drop a comment. Also let me know which device are you currently rocking and which phone you would like to upgrade to, whether it is S22 Ultra or it is S23 Ultra. Drop a comment. And if you haven't got the update for your S22 Ultra yet, wait for it patiently. You will be getting it in a couple of days. Go to settings, tap on software update, and then tap on download updates. If the update is available in your region, you will be able to download it and install it here. That is all I have here. I have already pre-reserved the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and as soon as I get it, you will get to see loads of contents on that. So don't miss those videos. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and smash the like button if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.